So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sleek your hair up and put on your Giifti wraparound ponytail. My client, I love her so much. She was willing to be my model for today. So to start off, I am using Giifti Edge Control to sleek back her edges. And also this video is in real time so that you can actually see that putting on your ponytail literally takes 4 to 7 minutes. This look is so nice for work, for date night, and just once you just want to look glam, but you don't want to put too much effort into your glam. So that's what ponytails are great for. So for the look, all you really need is the ponytail itself, edge control, a couple of scrunchie, and the edge control brush. Right now I am just laying her edges, so I'm using the Giifti Edge Control again to lay her edges, and then I'm going to put her hair in a ponytail using the black scrunchie. Just watch what I'm doing and enjoy. I will come back once I begin the next step. So I'm just putting her hair up. I'm gonna put it into a ponytail, and then we're gonna put the actual extended wrap ponytail onto the hair. I'm using my hand to smooth out the sides, then I will rotate with the brush just to flatten everything up, and then I'm gonna use the black ponytail and put her hair into a nice fairly not tight but just nice neat bun. We just want to have something sleek so that the actual wraparound ponytail can be attached to. So once you have that done, you're almost set to go. You're going to braid the end of your hair, or if it's a client that you're working on, you're going to braid the end of their hair. And yeah, I'm using Giifti Melt Wrap to wrap her edges down. I kept this on while I'm putting on the ponytail. That is the wraparound ponytail that I'm going to be using. You attach it on by using the clip that is on the ponytail. You're going to attach the ponytail to the base of the bun that you have created. It's a wraparound, so there's a string that you're going to be able to use to wrap around the base, which is going to cover that Velcro lining that you see right there. And you do this, rotate it back and forth, back and forth. Basically, you're just wrapping the extra piece of hair till all the Velcro is covered. And that's when you know that you have completed the look, when you cannot see any more Velcro. So if you need to go in and take an extra piece of hair just to make sure everything is covered, sleek, and the ponytail looks seamless, you can definitely do so. At this point, you're going to continue wrapping around to the desired look that you're trying to achieve. To lock everything in, the very small end of the hair, you're going to wrap it until it gets to nothing and push it at the bottom of the hair. And once you do that, you'll be done with the look. If you like this quick tutorial, comment down below for more. And yeah, so I used 20 inches Bodywave wraparound ponytail. You can get the ponytail from Giifti.com. The link will be in my bio. I will see you guys next time. You have a great day.